Good morning guys! Welcome back to my Love Lucy channel. Today we're gonna make a dessert. I just tried this dessert. I watched this in some vlogs, so I will try it also. 4 eggs. We put 4 eggs. These are organic eggs. Ay, matigas. Na-freeze. Nasa ano kasi. Rep ang egg ko. Kaya medyo. So, 4 eggs. We put some butter. Up in the wrap. The egg and then butter. Matagal pa ma-blend to kasi yung butter malamig. So let's blend the egg and the butter. We put some vanilla. Konti lang, mga ganito. 1 tablespoon. Ayan, ganun lang. Vanilla. Ayan. Milk. Yung condensed milk natin, meron siyang color. Ano bang flavor to? Parang a little vanilla and chocolate. So i-blend natin yan. May vanilla na pala itong ito, ang tawag ito. There is already vanilla in this condensed milk. So, bago natin ilagay yung bango. Ayan. Parang malapot siya. Lagyan natin ng evaporated. Lagyan natin ng konting evaporated milk. Let's put a little bit. Evaporated milk. Huwag muna natin ilagay lahat because it might get watery. We will put first the shredded coconut. Lagyan pa natin. Pwede din itong lagyan ng, you can put also cheese. But me, I don't put cheese anymore, just the butter. Butter and egg are good already. So, let's see kung matamis itong shredded coconut. Let's taste it kung matamis siya. Matamis siya ng konti, kaya ito hindi na pwedeng dagdagan ng matamis na siya. Natin malapot. put this one, the coconut, shredded coconut. Lagyan pa natin ng coconut. May coconut pa rito. Marami ba? I think marami na siya. Just enough. Mahirap siyang haluin. Lagyan na nga natin tong gatas. Lagay ko ng lahat. Put all the milk para hindi rin siya masayang. You can add shredded cheese. But me, I don't like anymore. It's too much. There's already butter and egg and nakakataba. If you put cheese, maybe later on top. Ayan. I-bake natin to sa 350 Fahrenheit, degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes until it's cooked. Ayan. Let's spray para hindi siya dikit. Kalat natin yung oil. Natin ang gusto para Pag masarap ito, iluto natin sa New Year or Christmas. Nakita ko lang ito dun sa I watched some vlogs of food channel ba yun? So, nakita ko ito. Very easy lang to make. So, ayan. Let's put it here. Dalawahin nating lalagyan. I-heat ko yung oven. So, i-heat natin yung oven. Antayin natin. We wait for the oven to become hot. Ayan, ganun lang ka-simple ang dessert na ito. Very simple. So, ayan guys, ilalagay natin to sa oven and then mamaya ipapakita ko ulit pag luto na. So, guys, already cooked. Still hot. Ayan. Yummy, yummy, and it smells so good. You can add shredded cheese on top and put back in the oven for 3 minutes or 5 minutes. But me, I don't like cheese anymore. Gusto ko dito sa medyo bandang dark brown. Let's see. Ayan. Titikman natin. Let's see if masarap siya o ano. Ay, nadurog. Nadurog siya. Mainit pa kasi. Palamigin muna natin. Balik natin dito sa ano. Para lumamig. Mas madali siyang i-slice pagka yung malamig. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Mainit. Masarap siya. Parang siyang ano, may leche plan sa loob. Masarap. I-try nyo guys, masarap. Yummy. So that is my vlog today. Dessert. Yummy, yummy. So, thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye.